If you want to save time, stay consistent, and automate your email marketing inside Squarespace, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to create email automations in Squarespace step by step so you can set up welcome emails, thank you messages, and follow-up emails without doing everything manually. This is a great way to turn new subscribers into engaged customers, and once it's set up, it works in the background for you. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open your website editor. Once you're inside, look for the Email Campaigns area. This is where Squarespace keeps the tools for creating and managing your automated email sequences. After you open email campaigns, select Automation from the campaign types. This is the section you need if you want emails to send automatically based on a visitor action or audience behavior. Now you'll see a list of automation categories on the left panel. Squarespace usually gives you options like welcome subscribers, thank customers, and check-in. These categories help you choose the right type of automated message depending on what you want to happen. For example, if someone signs up to your mailing list, you may want to send a welcome email. If someone makes a purchase, you may want to thank them automatically. Go ahead and hover over a template that matches your goal. For this example, let's say you want to welcome new subscribers. Hover over the Welcome New Subscribers template, then click Customize. This will open the automation editor where you can adjust the trigger, timing, and email action so the automation fits your workflow. Before you go any further, there's one important thing to keep in mind. You need a premium plan to activate automations in Squarespace. So if you don't see the activation option available, that may be why. Squarespace reserves automation features for premium email campaign plans, so make sure your account is on the correct plan before expecting the automation to go live. Now let's configure the automation itself. The first thing to set is the trigger. Click on Trigger and select the audience. This tells Squarespace who should enter this automation. Depending on the template you chose, this could be new subscribers, customers, or another segment of your audience. Pick the audience that matches the purpose of your email automation. Next, move to the delay settings. Click Delay and choose either no delay or a delay of your choice. If you want the email to send instantly, no delay is the best option. If you want to wait a little before sending the message, you can choose a delay that better matches your marketing strategy. For example, a welcome email might go out right away, while a follow-up email might perform better after a few hours or a day. After that, you'll set the action. Select Action, and then choose the email you want to send. If you want the notification to go to a different email address, you can select a different email here. This is useful if you want automation responses, alerts, or follow-up communication to be routed somewhere else in your business setup. Once everything looks good, review your automation carefully. Double-check the trigger, confirm the audience, make sure the delay is correct, and verify the action is sending the right email. This final review is important because it helps prevent mistakes before the automation is turned on. When you're satisfied, save your changes and activate the automation if your plan allows it. And that's how you create email automations in Squarespace. In just a few steps, you can build a system that welcomes new subscribers, responds to customers, and keeps your audience engaged automatically. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.